training. In this video, we'll learn how to quickly identify hazardous materials and take appropriate safety measures using the ERG. First, let's understand the structure of the ERG. The guidebook is divided into 4 color-coded sections: yellow, blue, orange, and green. Each serves a different purpose. Next, identify the material using placards or shipping papers. Here are some common placards. Once you have the UN or NA number, turn to the orange section to find the guide page. Each guide page gives safety recommendations, evacuation distances, and PPE guidelines. Finally, always follow safety precautions. Maintain safe distances, use proper PPE, and coordinate with other responders. Effective scene management keeps everyone safe. That concludes our ERG training overview. Remember, identify the material, find the correct guide, and follow the safety recommendations. Stay safe out there.